Another great Range Rover SVR has just arrived. That's 575 brake horsepower, beautiful 5-litre supercharged engine in the beautiful Santorini black, 40,000 miles, full Land Rover service history. The car's stunning. It's a 2019 68 registration, very well looked after. Just a great performance SUV. Let me turn it off so you can hear me. Now the Santorini black is a metallic black, and then with the combination of the black styling, this has loads of extras. First and foremost, it has a full carbon fibre bonnet. Not exposed carbon fibre, but it is full carbon fibre with the bonnet scoops, the black badging, the grills. You've then got the LED style daytime running lights with the full adaptive dancing headlights. The big air vents, because it is an SVR, so it needs the big air vents to suck in all that air. Now this one has the full surround view camera system, so that's front camera, side cameras and the rear camera. You've also got things like park assist, the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels in the black as well, and the red brake calipers. Side vents, window surrounds and some protection glass, all in black obviously, fixed side steps, and you've got comfort access. As for the interior, what I do like about this car is it's nice and crisp. You've got the black leather, the Alcantara sections, electric seats, memory seats, lumbar support, and then you've got things like the Meridian sound system, the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, the touchscreen media system and the touchscreen glass piece for the climate control and the sort of different drive terrains. You've got dynamic mode, comfort mode, there's ambient lighting in the door pockets with the little cubby holes on both driver and passenger, extended leather, nice and soft, and there's your memory seat options just there. In the back, with it being a 5-seater, you have the 4th zone climate control, more speakers on the back of the door cards there. Again, ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, that centrepiece comes down, which is the armrest, and being a nice elevated SUV, there's lots of leg room for all the passengers. On this one, you've also got the SVR seats, so again, you have the one-piece headrest, like the front passenger and drivers, so everyone gets the same treatment, and it really is a special car. The car does come with a full 12 months MOT. It's trying to get one in this condition with a full service history. We know the previous keepers, they've looked after the car very, very well. It's just a nice, high performance, great SUV that's very practical, in black, with a black styling, with them wheels and that interior. It really is a great combination. Nice size boot there, tonneau cover to hide all your valuables, and underneath you have more cubby hole space where the foam kit is and the first aid kit. Press that button there, or press the button on the key and the boot closes. Round the back you have got the full LED lighting system and the sweeping LED indicators. Again, black badging, and then it wouldn't be an SVR without the quad tailpipes, which produce that awesome sound at the start of the video. What I like about the SVRs is when you're driving it, yes, it's got lots of power, but it handles well, it sounds well, and you do feel like you're on top of the road because the seating position is really, really good. You are driving from a great height. There's lots of visibility, no blind spots. This one then has the full TFT digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, paddle shift, voice control, stereo controls, nice black ceramic finish to it, and it is all touch sensitive. You've also got all the adjustments for the steering column, which is in and out and up and down. Put it in reverse, the 360 camera system starts to work. You've got the guidelines there, you can see what's around you at any given time. Heated seats, but then you've also got ventilated seats. Front and rear heated windscreen. You've got twin cup holders there, tracker fobs, and if you slide that across, you've got more cubby hole space underneath. Centre armrest is also leather wrapped, and that lifts up, which then creates more cubby hole space with more USBs. And if I haven't mentioned it already, you have got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, followed by the full Alcantara roof lining with it being a sports SUV. This really is a special car with 40,000 miles on. We are getting any amount of SVRs. They're in and they're out instantly because they're a cracking car, and they've come down to a price now where they are comfortably affordable for somebody who wants an SVR. My name is Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.